Alright everyone, you're welcome back to Genesis channel. Actually, in this video I'll be telling you how to target rich clients. So we're not just talking about products. Even when you're into services, you have to target rich clients. I mean rich customers, those that can purchase. Actually, there are different between people that say I want, and people that will come up and say yes, I need it. I remember the last ad I ran, yes, immediately just came in, yes, I need this 20 pieces, I need this, without even thinking, I don't know this person. Actually, this person will scam me. Before you know what is happening, they start sending in their money. So if you want to know how to target it, let's go straight. Last one I mentioned, I used the other boost page. So now I asked people to go and download Meta Ads. So if you don't know Meta Ads, this is the Meta Ads I'm talking about. So if you don't have it, you just quickly go to Google Play Store or App Store. All right, when you go to your Play Store, just click on not Ad Manager, please, so you don't make a mistake. Meta Ads. Before it was Ad Manager, now they've changed it to Meta. Now it has been changed now to Meta Ads. So you see my own is saying open. Why? Because I have already. So this app is super amazing, especially if you are a beginner. Yes, I know I've watched too many videos on YouTube how to run ad, and they keep using their system, while some people don't have system yet, or some. So my dear, I'm using my phone. That's what I'm using. I'm going to tell you the same one. I'll be running my ads with my phone, and they'll be converting. Even rich clients, yes, I've been getting them. Yes, so please, I'm using phone, I'm not using system. So you open it. I'm going to open mine. So you see how it works. You open yours. So this is it. I've already opened mine. So the first thing you do, you go to this your plus icon. You want to run ads, right? So your plus icon. So now this is it. You can create from existing, you can create new. So because you will see create from existing, because I've been running for long, so when I click on create from existing, it will show me all the ads I've run in the past, and they will ask you to pick one. But because you are new, all right, so you create new. Now, but before we get there, we have so many objectives. Remember, we are trying to target rich audience right now, so we have so many objectives. We have engagement. What are engagement? Please, you need to understand all these things before you know what you are using. Engagement, look at engagement here. You have to read all these things. When you click on engagement, when you run ad using this engagement, it helps you get more messages, it helps you get video views, post engagement, page likes, and that. So it's good for messages, good for post engagement. Now, because all these are depend on what you're using it for, depend on your product and your services. Now we have this one, awareness. What does it do? It shows your ad to people who are most likely to remember them. So it's good for brand awareness. Maybe those people that have a new brand, they just want to let people know about their brand, they can use awareness. Then we now move to traffic. What is traffic? Traffic sends people to a destination. Now you can use traffic if you have a website. You can use traffic if you have a website, if you have an app. So, but if you don't have website, if you don't have landing page, please don't use traffic. Actually, there was a time I used traffic, it worked. But what I did, that area where they said websites, I had to put in my WhatsApp link. All right, so if you want to get a WhatsApp link, customize WhatsApp link, go to wa.link. Yes, wa link. Yes, go to your Google Chrome, type in wa full stop link. You will see create a link. That should be another tutorial for next time, but just do that. You see it's self-explanatory. Then you put your phone number and you create a customized link. Then we have leads. These leads, collect leads for your business and brand. This one is also when you have website, instant forms. Then we have sales. What is this sales? This sales is you help to send to people who are likely to purchase your products or your service. When they say purchase, that means they want to buy. It's not the one that will say I want. Then they are good. It's good for calls, conversion, and catalog sales. Then we have app promotion. Like this is for people that want people, maybe you can put in here, if you have app you just created, I want people to install the app and start using it. You run the ad using this. But actually, let me tell you the best. I don't know, everybody I've used Traffic. It did so well. I've also used and that one I've used, let me not lie to you, I've also used the engagement. It did marvelously well. In short, my engagement did so well. But the only thing, people were not going to my messenger because I forgot to send them to my WhatsApp. So I mistakenly click messenger. You see my messenger, oh my god, filled up with messages. So then another one I've also used that I'm so happy about is sales. So if you want them to come and start buying immediately, use sales. All right, let's just go ahead and not waste time. So let me just go ahead and use sales. Click on sales, allow it to load. Then now you have your campaign. This campaign, now use campaign details. You just name it. When they say campaign name, anything, let me just name any name, Gen CEO. I'm just trying to name it. And then your budget. Now this budget area, I want to say something. The higher money you put in is the higher the, what will I say now, the conversion. Yes, I remember when Facebook ad was really new, 2016 or 17, I don't know, but I remember then I'll put 500 to run ad and it will convert so much. I'll say wow. But recently, my dear, if you use 1,000, nothing, you guess to convert, but you will not see plenty, you understand? So if you want to use, at least use 3,000. All right, yes, but me, I use more than that. You understand now? So that's all about that. Can use 3,000, can use 5,000. All right, so now go to ad sets. Please, when you're done with this one, go to ad sets. Still put the same name, Jenny CEO. All these things won't show. Then conversion, please look at the conversion now. This is what I'm talking about. You see messenger, drive sales and what through messenger, drive sales. So you see that calls. Generate leads by asking people to call your business. Messenger. Then you continue. Right. Now look at the cocoa. Now what I'm really after is not even, because I also gave people how to, yes, the last 3 I mentioned how to send them to your WhatsApp. Yes, I did that. So if you've not watched that last video, please go ahead. I don't want to go into details of that part because the video will be too long. So what I'm into now today is your audience, how to pick your audience. All right, so let's just go into audience. Look at your audience, you click on it. Now this is where the cocoa is, new audience. So now the last time I mentioned about location, but let me say something on it. Please, when you're targeting, don't go and target Nigeria. You cannot run ad for all Nigerians. Be specific. If you want people from Port Harcourt to get your item, right there, Port Harcourt. If you want from Lagos, right, Lagos. If you want Abuja, or you can pick 3 states or pick 4, so it converts so well. All right, so actually I will not pick, so let's just say Lagos State, and I want to say something good. I want to say, please, when you're running your ad, please always make sure you pick the one you see this city. Don't go and pick neighborhood. If you pick neighborhood, you will go and be meeting villages or something. Pick city. Even if it's Benin, write it there. Pick when it comes out, pick city. Anyone, pick city, please. So like I said, I'll pick city. All right, so let me just stop. This is not my main. I've said something here. Now let's go to the main. This is the where the cocoa is for your ad. This will show either your ad will convert or not. So this is where you're going to target the rich people. Oh my god. So now let's proceed. The first one you see here is include people who match. Now let's click on add. Good. So you see, now you see this place where you see your search icon. This is where you write people you need. So I want to say something, please. The first person, if you're talking about rich people, the first thing you should pick is, let's just pick it, frequent. Please, if you have a notebook, write it down on paper. Frequent international. Okay, look at it, it's out. Frequent international. See it now, it's out already. Frequent international travelers. Oh my god, this is what I want to say. These people now, what do? These ones are the people that travel out. They are, at least in less than 6 months, they've gone out of the country. So these people are rich people. They are always willing to buy. You click on it like this. All right, so you click on that plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, it has picked. So now Facebook will start referring people to you. Now let's just pick this frequent travelers, pick, but all these other ones you are seeing, don't pick. Then you tick here. Then another people you should target. Let's continue. Also target, let me be giving you, please, if you have pen, write them down. Luxury. When you talk about luxury, you're talking about rich, all right? So now you see luxury vehicle. People that have luxury vehicle or more, they can buy. People that are into luxury goods, they are like shopping. You can see the shopping. So anything you put that is expensive, they buy. That's how to target them. So luxury lifestyle, just pick luxury shop. Luxury watches, social, like that. Continue picking. Then other people you should target if you want rich clients again is okay, now go to, we have where is narrow. So you now go and you see this down place where you see narrow here. Click on that narrow. When you click on it, you'll still be seeing all these frequent. You see, I said YouTube will start. Yes, Facebook will start suggesting. Look at, they're already suggesting. So you start picking frequent international, frequent travelers suggested. See, travel. Luxury. Facebook are the ones suggesting, business class, first class travel, luxury goods. They are now, so you see them immediately. Facebook will be suggesting. When they're suggesting, you also pick. Then have the next person you should tag, engaged shoppers. These ones are always shopping. This is their behavior. Yes, look at it, purchase behavior. So they are always shopping. They love shopping online. So you pick them. Is the tick. Another people you should also pick. Expensive taste. Good. Expensive. I sabi Facebook ad, see, it's already out. Expensive taste. So you should also pick them. You click on that plus icon, you pick them. Good. So if you want to sell things that are maybe for parents, you can now put stay at home mom. If it's for business owners, just people. This for as rich people, you've picked them. Then you can think of anything luxury, so you're good to go. Once you pick this, when you run this ad, oh my god, you see them coming and shopping, and it's so amazing. And please make sure you use correct money to run the ads, all right? And when they come in, or also engage them properly, behave mature, behave like a rich girl, behave like a, don't just come and start, don't be a don't exhibit mediocrity. Make sure you sit up, talk to them. Yes, we are here. If you have this splash right there, use your splash right there, like that. All right, thank you so much for watching. In my next video, I'll be making a video on how to sell on Facebook for free. You heard me right, for free. You don't need Facebook ad. Okay, I'll be telling you that secret in my next video. So if you've not liked this video, hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye.